Hi everybody, it's Reina with Double TI and I'm going to show you my spectacular Apple Watch. It's the Apple Watch Series 6 GPS Space Gray aluminum case with black sport band. And I love this Apple Watch. I feel very sophisticated and also sporty. It's so aesthetic, this appearance of the Apple Watch. I have a active lifestyle. I love going to the gym with my husband, so we are training every week. And now we have the Apple Watch. It's like my fitness coach, tracking my progress with precision. So I love it. I think the Apple Watch is like an assistant to me, making my tasks easier and keeping me informed all the time. Also looking good all the time, so stylish and aesthetic. I love this Apple Watch. I absolutely recommend it. So that's my point of view.